Rowena Sweeney's home is her only asset, but she was so worried it would have to be sold when she dies to pay for her funeral, she took out a funeral insurance policy for herself and her daughter 10 years ago.
I am so lucky to have a home. It's the only thing I can leave my daughter. I really want her to have that when so many people don't now.
But if she lives until she's 90, the disability pensioner will have paid $40,000 for a funeral payout worth $15,000. Her daughter would have to continue paying the insurance until her death to receive her benefit.
Yeah, I do feel a bit ripped off. I mean, it is quite an extraordinary amount for what you receive.
Insurance company TAL says it takes care to ensure customers understand they're buying funeral insurance, not a funeral savings product. John Hooper runs a community loan scheme. He says an increasing number of families are going into debt to pay for funerals.
Our loan is up to $2,000 and the funeral costs $10,000. That person living on a low income might have to find another $8,000 that they just don't have.
Funerals can cost between $4,000 for a basic cremation to $15,000 for a more elaborate burial. Amid their grief, families are being urged to consider their budgets.
If you've had those conversations beforehand, you know as a family you've stuck to your list. We want to spend this much on a coffin, we'll allow this much for flowers.
A not-for-profit is trying to make funerals more affordable, with plans to set up in more locations across Australia. Its benevolent fund helps families experiencing hardship.
It was established to ensure that people that do not have the means to have a funeral or to pay for one is that they don't miss out.
Saying goodbye within financial means. Fiona Blackwood, ABC News.